everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to record employee expense in Odoo 18 accounting module. But first, let's quickly understand what is an employee expense actually. An employee expense is any cost that an employee pays on behalf of the company. Like we can say the travel tickets, meals during business trips, hotel stays, or even office supplies. So since these are the company related costs, the employee later get reimbursed, and that's why tracking them correctly in Odoo is so important. So without wasting any time, let's directly move to the video how to record employee expense in Odoo 18 accounting module. So let's head over to the accounting module first. Later, let's move to the vendor side, and there we have our employee expense. So just simply click on employee expense. Okay, let it load. Alright, and we are going to create a new one. So first of all, once you open the employee expense, there you can see the existed employee expenses. So here we are going to create a new one. For that, let's click on the new button, and there we have our form to fill up. First of all, we need to give an example. So expense report summary. For that, let me give the same example, which is trip to New York. Alright. Once I'm completed with that, there you can see Odoo is defaultly set up or auto-populated the employee and company manager, right? If Odoo is auto-populated this, you can also change this employee, company or manager from here. Like by clicking on here, you can simply change. So here I'm going to change the employee name because the manager and employee is still same, right? So here I'm going to change this as Abigail Peterson. And there we have our company and there we have our manager. And here the paid by is like null format. I'll say you later why it's like that. We can also customize the paid by from the expense line. And next we have our expense line. So for that, let's create a new expense line. And we need to add the description. So here I'm going to give the description as flight ticket. Okay. And you can also specify which category this expense is belongs. So here I'm going to give this as travel and accommodation. Once I'm done with that, there we need to specify how much is the total. So let's give it's $350. And you can also simply include the tax or you can exclude that. And there we have an employee. If you are done with the employee from the starting, you can also change that from the expense line. And there we have a paid by. So from here, you can simply choose who is paid. Like if the employee is paid at that time, the expense, or it is paid by the company, you can also do that. If it's paid by the employee, you will get a reimbursement. If it's paid by the company, there will be no reimbursement. Okay. And next we have our expense date. So you need to simply specify which is the expense date. So let it be 21st. And there we have our account. So this expense will belongs to any account, specific account. So Odoo is defaultly give an expense account here. So you can simply change it as per your concern. And there we have our customer to re-invoice, which if the category has an expense policy, it will be re-invoiced on the sale order. So you can simply specify if it belongs to any sales order. And there we have an electric distribution company, and you can as well as give a notes like any internal notes. If you have any internal notes, you can simply write here. And once you have done with the expense line, you can simply save and close this. So here I'm closed. And once you have completed with all of the thing, like you're okay with all of the thing, you can simply put this to the submit to manager. Once you have clicked there, the stage will be changed from to submit to submitted. Okay. So let's click on submit to manager. Okay, once we are done with that, as you can see at the top, the expense will go through different stages like submitted, approved, post and done. So the manager can approve it and later the accounting team can post as reimburse the employee. Okay, so that's how you can simply record the employee expense in Odoo accounting module. simple, fast, and keeps everything well documented. So that's all about the video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends, and have a nice day. Thank you.